part of good database management is going in and compacting the database every so often. This streamlines the database and keeps it healthy. Microsoft recommends that when your Wins database reaches a size of over 30 meg, you must compact it. And there's a utility they've provided called jetpack.exe. Let's go on before we do any compacting and just take a look at our Wins Manager and see what our database is looking like. We go to Start, Programs, Administrative Tools Common, and then Wins Manager. This will bring up our Wins Manager local. We can see what's going on. So far, there has not been a lot of activity on our Wins server. We're just looking through the menu bar here, get an idea of the different options that we have in Windows NT 4 versus Windows 2000. Let's go on and minimize this. And let's proceed with the compaction. The next step in the compaction is to stop the Wins server. This must be done from going into Control Panel and using your services. We go Start, Settings, Control Panel. We go to Services. We find our Wins. We highlight it. We click Stop. It says, are you sure you want to stop the Windows Internet Name Service servers? Yes. Okay, now it's stopped. Now, the utility that's called jetpack.exe can be found on your system root system32 folder. Let's go on and just take a brief look there to make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. I'm going to right-click on my computer, choose Explore. I'm going to go to my C drive, WinNT, System32. Now here's the Wins folder where the database actually is located, so I'll need to go to this point in order to run the jetpack.exe. The jetpack.exe is right here. Now this can be found in the same location, whether it's a Windows 2000 machine or a Windows NT 4 machine. Now in order to run this, we have to use a command line that specifies the database. In order to do that, we'll go to a command prompt. We go Start, Programs, Command Prompt. Let's make sure we've changed directories to the proper folder. So we'll do CD, WinNT. Now we're in the WinNT directory. Let's change directories to System32. And we need to change directories one more time and go into the Wins folder. Now that we're in the proper place, we can type our command, which is jetpack. And what do we want to jetpack? Our Wins database, which has the extension .mdb. Let's give it a temporary name. And hit enter. What it will do is it will temporarily compact it to the temp.mdb, and then it will rewrite it as wins.mdb. Okay, it's saying jetpack has been completed successfully. What we must do is go on to our services utility, make sure our Wins server is highlighted, click Start. And it's restarted. Our database is compacted, and it should be running at full speed.